let's start today's episode. What's going on, guys? It's your Wonder Boy back with new video. Probably guys you know me. If not, get in touch with me by subscribing my YouTube channel.
Okay.
And follow me on Instagram. On the screen username is given, so go and follow me there, and let's start today's episode. Today's episode is Hairdo episode 1. It means we will do episodes on a particular topic in a different part, so it's gonna be fun. So let's start today's video.
Yeah, I smell good.
Okay, so today's episode topic is how to use a blow dryer. So I'm gonna give you 5 tips to use a blow dryer. So let's jump into today's video.
Okay.
Tip number 1 is do not blow dry your hair very closely. If you guys blow dry your hair very closely, your hair will damage for sure. Make a distance about 6 to 8 inches, then your hair will not burn or damage. So this is the tip number 1. Okay, so tip number 2 is do not keep the heat setting for too long. Okay, so once you are done with the blow drying process on the heat setting, turn it off and do the blow dry on the cool setting. Big reason is that if you keep the heat setting for too long, then your hair will burn and it will damage. So this is the tip number 2. Tip number 3, do not shake your blow dryer. There is the reason why you should not shake your blow dryer. So many of you guys are doing this mistake by shaking your blow dryer to set your hair. So do not do this mistake. If you shake your blow dryer, you will not get a better result what you want. So guys, do not shake your blow dryer. Blow dry your hair in which position you want, so you can get a better result. So this is the tip number 3.
Okay.
Tip number 4. You should know the proper settings of the hair dryer. I have a professional hair dryer and it has 3 settings: the cool setting, medium air, high air, and medium heat and high heat. So I will recommend you guys do not use on the high heat because it will damage more than the medium heat. So before using a blow dryer, you should know which pre-styler you have to use. So do not forget to use the pre-styler. So you guys want a little bit volume in the front, then blow dry your hair from the back and push it on the front, so you can get a more volume on the front. And if you guys want this hairstyle, then take a round brush and blow dry your hair from the back and push it on the front and keep this side downward and blow dry your hair from the front to get more volume. So if you guys do not have a round brush or any brush, then use your fingertips. So yeah, this is the 4th tip. 5th tip, final touch with a cool setting. Okay, so once you are done with the blow drying process, then give a final touch with the cool setting to get a more shiny hair, and that's it. You are done with the hairstyle and you are ready to rock with the good hairstyles.
I smell good.
Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. So do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and get in touch with me on the social media. So follow me on social media, link given in the description box. So bye bye, take care, see you guys in the next video.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.